Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and as you can tell by the title, I will be doing another Moonstar Planet video. And I have made a new account on the USA since my other account got hacked quite a while ago, but I'm not bothered because that was quite a while ago. And I've also made one on the Canada account, and we're gonna see if God, sorry guys, if these accounts are doing good. And sorry about my very terrible voice. I've still got that cold that I was going on about. And this is probably going to be one of the last videos I'm going to make for like about a month. Because our subscribers are not going up whatsoever. We've got 42 subscribers. It is getting up a bit. But I feel like I need some time to recover. I know it sounds really weird, I know. But I need some more time to edit videos, and I need more time to know what to do and because like all them good YouTubers are really good with editing their videos, and just yet I'm not really doing that good. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. It takes you 1 second to subscribe, and make sure you like this video. Comment down below once you've done that and I'll give you a shout out. Okay, so let's go into my USA account. Let's get started. Okay, so if you want to add me on the USA, my username is this, just right now. It's like my sugar one, just like Maddie because of my name, because the sugar was taken because someone's trying to pretend to be me and it right bugs me. Let me just do my password and then I will be back. So while my US one is logging on, I'm going to be logging on to the what's it called? My UK one. I'm so sorry about that, guys. I'm just really bad with my speech. Okay, I'll be doing the password and then I'll be back. It's my US one, and I'm just gonna put recording. Say hi. I'm gonna put it in like capitals so they like read it. Like I don't know. Everyone does. Okay, well, it's very laggy. Okay, recording. Say hi to YouTube. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Yeah, I know. I'm so bad. There we go. I know I look really awkward, but hey ho. Okay, I'm just gonna. I love this game too. Okay, right. This is my UK one. I don't think I've been on here for ages. Yeah, that was in like French, so I do speak French. Okay, recording. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, there's so much people online that's making me lag so much. Okay, well I don't know, probably the 40, I guess it's more close to 40. But yeah, they probably would have given me 20 because this game sucks. I'm joking, don't suck. Okay, what did this one girl message me? She might message me, hi, you've been online for ages. Like, nice to meet you. No, I'm not joking. YouTube says hi back. Okay. I thank God someone said something. I'm actually feel like I'm so scared. No, I joke. I feel like I'm so alone. Oh God. Oh, it's so laggy. Oh, I can't live with this. Oh, my God. YouTube says hi back. And thanks. Oh my God. I'm actually gonna, I don't know, kill this computer. No, kill MSP. I'll speak to her in a minute about it. I'll speak to her after it. Sorry, love. What was that? Okay. Made by Jasmine. Hello. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I'm actually so sad. Please subscribe, guys. I know I might be really sad, but yeah. Did someone give me an autograph on another account? Because I heard an autograph. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is my Canada account, guys. I got VIP on it like 2 days ago, and I think it's really nice. It probably would have been this account. Did you just hear that? So, The UK and the USA are really packed, but the Canada server's like, there's like no one in the chats. That is very loud. I'm sorry, I just can't deal with that. Okay. Right, so no one's saying hi to YouTube. I'm kind of a bit depressed. Okay, my life is always depressed. Thank you! Right. And that is my calendar account. I thought it was a different account I was on. That's all I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Right. I feel like a lot of people would have messaged me on here because I haven't been on here for like 6 days, which is kind of nearly a week. So, what is going on in them accounts? Are spazzing. I mean, I don't know what I just said. Spamming. I meant to say spamming, but I said spazzing by accident. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. I don't know. Have I got any friend requests? Oh my god! This is all from YouTube, isn't it? Oh my god! I'm so happy. Hopefully it's all from YouTube. I have not been on chats. I think it's all from YouTube. Oh my god, yay! A lot of these girls are really familiar because a lot of people said that they subscribed to my channel and that they loved my channel. Okay, well, don't add me then. Okay, no, sorry, no, you can add me all you want, love. Right then, okay, people say hi to YouTube! Okay, right then. What about on my, I don't know. Which one's this one? Is it? I don't know. Thank you for giving me the gift. Oh my god, she's calling me a faker. What? Let's start from the beginning. Because like so much of these. Sorry, voice break. OMG, hi, I love your YouTube. It's amazing. Thank you. Is this actually Maddie or a faker? I'm Maddie. Thanks. Please answer. I love you so much. Love you too. Hi, Maddie. My name is April, and I just want to say I love your YouTube. It is amazing. OMG. I love you so much. Please reply if you can. Oh, thank you. It's for the lovely messages and the gifts. Oh, dang it. And the gifts. I love you too. Nice name, April. Aw, she's so sweet. Is she my friend? Yes, she is. Okay. That's my brother, I think. Wait, what? That's my brother. Just say this is my brother. Go add him on the America. Oh, America site. No, I'm sorry. USA site. And it's the same thing. This girl's going out with my brother. Lol. That is so funny. I don't know why it's so funny. Oh, did I make this account today? I don't know. I feel like I have. I just cannot remember. I might have made it this morning. I'm not sure. Thank you so much for the autographs. You two are amazing. Right. I sometimes don't even know what I'm saying, guys, so a lot of you say that my accent is like not American or not English. It's like, I don't know. I'm not Irish because a lot of you say I'm Irish. I'm American and English, and I do speak French, but I don't really like speaking French a lot. But I don't know why you guys always say about my voice. Is my voice so bad? I really hope it's not. Okay. Alright then, let's see if anyone said hi. Oh, this girl said hi! YouTube. Oh my god. YouTube says hi. If you're still watching, comment Team Maddie. Thank you. Anyway, yeah. put on your status if you're on Movie Star Planet, UK, USA, Canada, or whatever. Put Team Maddie if you're my Maddie. I mean, Team Maddie if you're subscribed and you're one of my biggest fans. Yeah. Aww. Yes, and I will see. And text me once you have said, put that on your status, right? And I will shout you out and give you a gift and give you an autograph, okay? You better watch out. I could give you a rare or an ultra rare or a diamond pack. And someone might give a VIP ticket too, because I'm getting you VIP soon, in like a week. So, yeah, I'll probably be recording with that. That's probably one of the last videos I will do. Or this one might be. I don't know. It depends. I'm really tired about saying that so fast. Oh my god, no one's saying hi to YouTube. Is everyone like, don't like YouTube or something? Oh, I haven't said say hi to YouTube in this. Okay. Ugh, I'm depressed. Say hi to YouTube. Oh, that's the wrong way around. Recording. No one cares. I know, no one cares, Maddie. Okay, okay, you use cookies. No one cares. I'm only joking. I probably care. I love cookies. Very nice. I need cookies right now, talking of cookies. It's really weird. This account's on VIP. I mean, this account has VIP, which should level up things more. And this one's on level 8 and it's leveling like easier, if you know what I mean. I think it's harder to like level up on Canada account compared to USA. No one's saying hi. What's wrong with everyone? I'm not saying everyone's like really weird. Shout out to all these people who are texting me. Love you. Okay. I will be giving a gift to some of my fans. So if someone says hi right now, I'll be giving you a gift. So yeah. Or on any of my accounts, you can say hi. And I'll give you a gift. Obviously, because I love you guys. Right. Oh, they sent me gifts. Let's have a look what they are. Thank you so much. I love them so much. Did I just wear it? I don't know if I wear it. No, I don't care if I have, because I love it so much. But I'm really sad if I didn't. Okay. What my brother gave me now? Thank you, brother. Oh my god, that is kind of weird that my brother just gave me that. Okay, whatever. Oh, and she gave me that before. Thank you so much. I love you. You said hi? Alright, she gets the gift. YouTube says hi back. You get a gift, by the way. I'm just feeling nice today, like usual. So, I'm just gonna give a gift to this lovely girl. And look at her beautiful face. Just lovely, isn't it? Okay, I'll be giving a gift. I have so much gifts on this account, so I do not know which gift to give her. Ew, I don't know. I don't like that. I like the colour, but I don't like the style. So is she a VIP? She's a VIP, so I can give her. I'm so happy. Okay. Let's see what I can give her. Should I give her a rare? Because since she said hi and everyone else is not saying hi, like, bruh. Okay, no, it's not because of that. But I feel like I should give her a rare. I'm feeling so happy. Or maybe I have no rares on this account. I really hope I do, so I can give her some rares. If I don't, I will give her a rare another day. Let's see. Do we even have any rares? I feel like, why was there a gift all the way down here? Oh, she has that hair. I like that hair though. It's quite nice. Can be twins, you know. Oh, duckies. Let's see if there's any more good stuff before I give the duckies. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give the duckies, obviously. Okay, the duckies are yours, darling. You're welcome, hon. Okay. I'm actually so happy for some reason. I'm just happy people are getting gifts. I know you sound